you, I've seen thousands and thousands of students this year alone. And this is one of the best schools that I have ever been into. Give yourselves a round of applause. I think we should write a song. Right now. We'll do it? You think we can do it? Does that mean you guys are encouraging us to do this? Alright, let's see what we can do. Alright, big guy. You're down here. You take this one. That's you. Just go ahead. Give me a beat. Just like that. Okay. Can you come over here on this side? Can you do this one right here? Go ahead. Jump in there. I'm going to have you hit this high one here. You. Right here. Keep going. Everybody go together. Lever in here. Can you sit right here? This is going to be awesome. Can you hit that one right there? All right, let's try this. Give them a big round of applause. See what happens when we work together? To give yourselves the biggest round of applause and scream ever. Thank you so much for welcoming me to your school, parents. Thank you for taking the time to come out today. Thank you very much. Friends, family, everybody. I can't wait to see you guys in the future. Please listen to your teachers so we can exit this room in some type of an orderly fashion. We'll see you guys again. Thank you.